Welcome to the Evening Brews from Fresh Roasted Coffee. I'm Christopher, and these are your top stories. Omni or not Omni? That is the question. The pandemic has made many things clear. Two of those things are that more people are spending time at home making coffee, and that people are buying more brewing equipment. But the coffee you love as espresso may not be that great as a pour-over. The solution? Omni roasts. Omni roasts are specially formulated to work well across many different brewing applications, and we believe it's a great way for people to come into specialty coffee, because everybody deserves great coffee, especially you. In other news, spring is only 59 short days away, and that means gardening, baby. We know you've been saving up all your spent coffee grounds and filters, so let's put them to good use. Used coffee grounds are great for stems and acid-loving plants. They're a natural weed and insect repellent, and they provide essential nitrogen for your home composter. But plants don't take their coffee the way you take your coffee. They like theirs watered down and in moderation. And it appears that we're getting a weather update from our field reporter, me. It is currently snowing. Thanks, dude. Cool jacket. And now it's time for your positivity practice, which is printed so helpfully right on the side of your favorite box of Positively tea bags. For 1 minute, repeat after me. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be full of kindness, peace, and positivity. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be full of kindness, peace, positivity. Let's go now to Roastmaster Dave for the slurp of the week. Dave? Nice. And that's the latest. I'm Christopher. This has been the Evening Brews from Fresh Roasted Coffee. Until next time.